In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a newsletter in Brevo. Once you are logged into your Brevo account, start by heading to the marketing area. This is where Brevo keeps the tools for sending messages to your audience. From there, go into Campaigns and then choose Email. You should now be on the Email Campaigns page, where you can create and manage newsletters. Next, click Create Campaign, and when Brevo asks what type of campaign you want to make, choose Email. This tells Brevo you are building a standard email newsletter rather than another type of message. Now you will be asked to create a campaign name. Give it a name that is easy to recognize later, especially if you send newsletters regularly. A clear name helps you stay organized when you review results or duplicate a campaign in the future. After naming it, proceed to the next part. At this point, you need to choose who will receive your newsletter. Click Add Recipients. Then select your list. This list should contain the subscribers you want to send this newsletter to. Take a moment to make sure you are choosing the correct list, since the list determines exactly who gets the email. When you are ready, click Save to confirm your recipients. With your audience selected, move on to the email content by clicking Design Email. Brevo will show you different design options, including templates. Select a template that matches the style of your newsletter. Templates are helpful because they already include a layout, so you can focus on your content and branding. After you have selected your template, you will be taken into the editor to begin working with that design. When you are finished and ready to exit the editor, click Save and Quit. This stores your progress and returns you to the campaign flow so you can complete the sending step. Finally, click Schedule. If you want the newsletter to go out right away, choose Send Now. Brevo will then send your email campaign to the recipients in the list you selected. That covers everything you need to know.